Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox some anti-tarnish fashion jewelry that I ordered online from Prao Jewellery. Before we start, I just want to say that this is not a paid promotion or a sponsored video. I'm simply sharing my honest experience in case it helps someone who's looking for budget-friendly jewelry. Alright, let's open it now. Everything looks nicely packed. Let's see what we have inside. If you're someone who likes affordable fashion jewelry, these might be worth checking out. Please let me know in the comments which jewelry piece was your favorite. This is the pair I bought from Prao Jewellery earlier. I've been using them for a while and I liked them so much that I decided to order more from the same store. This one also comes with a matching chain and pendant, which makes it a really nice set. Now is this necklace. I really like the finish on it. It has a nice shine without looking too flashy. This could be perfect for casual outfits or even small parties. Next we have this bracelet. It looks cute and trendy and I think it will go well with both western and traditional outfits. You can adjust it according to your hand size. Then we have these pretty earrings. The design is simple but elegant and they don't look cheap at all. They feel lightweight, so they should also be comfortable to wear. And finally, I have is this cute hair clip. It's small, elegant and has a slightly grand look to it. I think it will be perfect for adding a nice touch to a simple hairstyle. Overall, my first impression is really positive. When I bought these, the jewelry pieces were priced between Rs 49 to Rs 149, which honestly surprised me. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.